Hello there. Happy World Oral Health Day 2025. Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my smile into a healthy masterpiece just in time for World Oral Health Day 2025. Today, March 20th, marks a very special day, World Oral Health Day. It's a day to raise awareness about the importance of oral health and the impact it has on our overall well-being. A healthy smile can boost our confidence, improve our relationships, and even affect our self-esteem. So, let's dive into why oral health matters and how we can achieve that perfect healthy smile. A bright and healthy smile is not just about aesthetics. It reflects overall well-being. Poor oral hygiene can lead to cavities, gum disease, bad breath, and even more severe health conditions like heart disease and diabetes. As we celebrate World Oral Health Day 2025, it's the perfect time to focus on the best ways to maintain a beautiful, healthy smile. Here are 10 essential tips to keep your teeth and gums in top condition. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please hit the subscription button now. Thank you. Drop your comments. Also like and share with your loved ones. 1. To brush your teeth twice a day. Brushing is the foundation of good oral hygiene. Use a soft bristled toothbrush and fluoride toothpaste to clean your teeth at least twice daily, preferably in the morning and before bed. Brush for at least 2 minutes, making sure to clean all surfaces of your teeth, including the gum line and the tongue, which harbors bacteria. 2. Floss daily to remove hidden plaque. Flossing is just as important as brushing because it helps remove food particles and plaque from areas your toothbrush can reach. Floss at least once a day, preferably before bedtime, to prevent gum disease and cavities between your teeth. If traditional floss is difficult to use, try water flossers or interdental brushes for better results. 3. Use an antibacterial mouthwash. Mouthwash is a great addition to your oral hygiene routine. An alcohol-free antibacterial mouthwash helps reduce bacteria, freshen breath, and prevent plaque buildup. Look for a mouthwash containing fluoride for added cavity protection. 4. Maintain a balanced diet for strong teeth. What you eat plays a crucial role in your oral health. A diet rich in calcium, phosphorus, and vitamin D strengthens teeth and bones. Include foods like dairy products, milk, cheese, yogurt, leafy greens, spinach, kale, nuts and seeds, fish and eggs, rich in vitamin D, fruits and vegetables for vitamins and fiber. 5. Stay hydrated and drink plenty of water. Water is essential for oral health. It helps wash away food particles, bacteria, and acids that cause cavities. Drinking fluoridated water strengthens enamel and protects against tooth decay. Avoid sugary or acidic drinks like soda, fruit juices, and energy drinks that can erode tooth enamel. 6. Avoid tobacco and limit alcohol. Smoking and tobacco use can lead to gum disease, tooth discoloration, bad breath, and even oral cancer. Alcohol consumption can also contribute to dry mouth, increasing the risk of cavities and gum infections. If you smoke or drink, consider reducing or quitting for better oral and overall health. 7. Replace your toothbrush regularly. A worn-out toothbrush won't clean your teeth effectively. Change your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months or sooner if the bristles become frayed. If you use an electric toothbrush, replace the brush head as recommended by the manufacturer. 8. Visit your dentist for regular checkups. Routine dental visits are essential for detecting problems early and maintaining optimal oral health. Schedule a dental checkup every 6 months for professional cleaning, plaque removal, and cavity detection. Your dentist can also provide personalized tips for improving your oral hygiene. 9. Protect your teeth with mouthguards. If you participate in sports or grind your teeth at night, wearing a mouthguard can prevent tooth damage, fractures, and gum injuries. Custom-fit mouthguards from your dentist offer the best protection. 10. Practice good oral hygiene habits from a young age. Teaching children proper oral care sets them up for a lifetime of healthy smiles. Encourage kids to brush and floss daily, eat a balanced diet, and avoid sugary snacks. Make dental visits a positive experience to reduce fear and anxiety. On the occasion of this year, World Oral Health Day, commit to taking better care of your teeth and gums. By following these top 10 tips, you can maintain a radiant smile, prevent oral diseases, and improve your overall health. A healthy mouth leads to a healthier life, so start making small changes today for a brighter and stronger smile tomorrow. If you found value in this video, subscribe for more. See you in my next video.